Hey everyone, welcome to Gaming Explain. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to set Granny Game to full screen display. So let's get started. Begin by launching settings on a mobile device. Scroll down until you find Apps option. Tap on Apps. Among the 7 options, select Manage Apps. In the search bar, type in Granny and perform your search. Tap on it. Scroll down until you find Full Screen Mode option. Now to set Granny Game to full screen display, enable Full Screen Mode option. And that's it. Thanks for watching Gaming Explain. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.